This video is meant for educational purpose and not stock recommendation. Please do due diligence check before you make any investment. Today, I would like to share with you one company called InMode. This company is a leading developer and supplier of innovative, energy-based, minimally invasive surgical medical treatment solutions in the aesthetics market. The company was founded in year 2008 with headquarters in Israel. InMode develops, manufactures, and markets devices harnessing novel radio frequency, RF, based devices that strives to enable new emerging surgical procedures as well as improve existing treatments. InMode has leveraged its medically accepted minimally invasive RF technologies to offer a comprehensive line of products across several categories for plastic surgery, gynecology, dermatology, otolaryngology and ophthalmology. InMode reports its full financial year 2021 result on February 10, 2022. Here, it says that, the company recorded full-year revenues of $357.6 million, an increase of 73% as compared to 2020. The company also has record GAAP net income of $165.0 million, compared to $75.0 million in 2020. There is 112% increase in international, which is non-US revenues as compared to 2020. Here is the management comment from CEO that we are proud to report not just another record quarter and year, but also a quarterly milestone as we significantly surpass the $100 million mark in revenue. Throughout the year, we continued to grow our global footprint by adding 17 new countries. As we expand outside of the US and open new subsidiaries like the one we recently launched in Italy, we continue to evaluate the Omicron effect on all of our territories and on the business in 2022. InMode has recorded their best revenue in their history, and they surpassed the $100 million mark in revenue. This is another company that performs very well in the pandemic, the company that operates in aesthetics market. In the CEO comment, they mention they are expanding outside US. This means there is potential that the revenue will increase in future. For investment, we need to invest in company that can perform well in the pandemic and expanding, so that the invested money can work for us. Let's look at the margin of the company. This is full year 2021 financial result. GAAP gross margin for 2021 was 85%, like the gross margin in 2020. Wow! 85% gross margin, very impressive. Even Apple company gross margin was just 42%, however, this company has 85% gross margin. GAAP operating margin for 2021 was 47%, compared to the operating margin of 35% in 2020. Wow! 47% operating margin. How many business in the world can get such high operating margin? In case you still have no idea what InMode is doing, please watch this video, so you will have clearer idea. Let's look at financial performance of the company. For gross margin, as mentioned earlier, it was above 80% since year 2017. For operating margin, it is increasing every year and year 2021 reached 45%, very impressive. For net income, it increase every year. Earnings per share also increase every year. Operating cash flow, free cash flow and net margin, all increase almost year by year. For return on asset, it increased every year but dropped in year 2020, but in 2021, it bounced back to 42%. Next, we look at return on equity, it increased and later decreased. But year 2020 increased again. Generally, the return on equity is above 40%. For debt to equity, it has remained zero for 4 years, but last financial year, it had 0.01% of debt, not high debt for a company in general. This is InMode share prices at March 2, 2022. It was around $42. From this chart, you can see that this share is trading at the lower end of share price from historically high of $99. Perhaps, is an opportunity to invest? Please exercise your own judgment on the investment as it concerns your wallet. Hope that you will like this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video.